Hello there, and welcome to this brief demo of the NumberIt program from the NameIt Suite. My name is Michael. I'm one of the product specialists here at LaserJumpStart, and I'll be showing you some of the features of this program today. So the NameIt, Number, and Batchit programs are all more designed for the mass production of a specific label or something along those lines. So NameIt would be much more oriented towards name tags or anything along those lines, whereas the NumberIt feature is better suited for a serialized serial number, something along those lines where it's incrementing by a set amount. I'll go ahead and use the same um, tags that I was using in my example for the name tags, but in either case it still applies in the same way. It has a target and everything. So I do have these arranged as such with multiple pages of those exact same things. So let's go ahead and open up the NumberIt program. First thing you'll see here is that it does have target. This is what the program will look for and try to change. So right now it's set to number, but if I were to change it to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 A's, every time it finds 10 A's in a row, it will then replace it with our serial number. So that one right there and all these ones here. Hence why I also have M's and I's in case I needed other ones. So the start value is the beginning number that it will start at, whatever you want the program to start with. Step size is how much it increases every time. So right now it just goes up by 1, 1, 2, 3, but you could have it going up by 3s, so 3, 6, 8, something along, or 3, 6, 9, or something along those lines. The number width is the amount of digits that are in the number. So right now it's set at 4, and so it goes to 4 digits or to 1,000. But if you had it set to say 7, then it would go up to 1,000,000, that sort of thing. It does also give you the option to add a prefix or a suffix, and so prefix you could make it such as like a license plate, or where it has that beginning same 2 digits or 1 digit at the beginning every single time, and then the rest would increment by itself. We also have the preview option here in case you just want to make sure that it's doing what it is expected to do. So it just goes up by that set amount, and you can also enter in a specific one and see it went up to 27. This option here, the limit text width, is to make sure that it doesn't exceed its bounds. So say our target is these 10 A's, and we also had a number width, a very high number width. So what we're replacing with turns out to be 20 digits. Well, with the limit text width selected, that means that whatever we're replacing this with will never exceed the size of the target. So no matter what, ABC 0027D will never exceed this and go outside of the bounds, be too large for what we want it to be. So it'll auto size it to a more appropriate size. Multipage just means that it will look at the multiple pages in your Corel file. In case you have multiple tags or something along those lines, you want to run them all at the same time rather than have it just simply look at one page at a time. But with this in place, I can actually go ahead and just run it, and you'll notice that it did go through and label all of them consecutively. But since I didn't have multi-page selected, it did only do it on the first page. But it went ahead and replaced all of them. Alright, and that was a brief demo of the NumberIt program from the NameIt NumberIt Batchit Suite. Thank you for watching our video. I hope that it helped you out. Check out our website to see all of our other programs as well as materials that we have made specifically for lasers. If you'd like a one-on-one training session with one of our product specialists, we can provide those services as well for a nominal fee. Check out the video card on your left if you'd like to find out more about the NameIt NumberIt Batchit Suite, or the video on your right if you'd like to find out more about some of our other programs that we have to offer. This has been LaserJumpStart, helping you make more with your laser.